Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tiffany, and today I'm gonna show you how to get this makeup look. This tutorial is gonna be all about the eyes. I'm gonna focus on the eyeshadow mostly. I did my foundation and setting powders off camera. Usually I always show those in my tutorials, but I do the same thing every time, so I'm sure you guys know exactly what I do. I use the same products. If you're interested in my foundation and how I set everything, go ahead and check out one of my previous videos. We're gonna jump right into this tutorial, so if you wanna see how to get this look, then please keep watching. For my first transition color, I'm gonna take this bright orange from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm gonna place that in the upper crease. I'm gonna bring this up pretty high to the brow bone, and I always do that because it will make my eyes appear a little bit bigger and like I have a little bit more lid space since my eyes are hooded. For the next transition color, I'm going to take the color Taza from the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. I'm placing that right under the first color. And this is going to help deepen everything and give it a nice gradient look. I'm not extending the eyeshadows out far today. I'm kind of stopping them right at the end of the eyelid. Now I'm going to go back in with that first brush and apply a little bit more of the bright orange and just use it to blend out the second color we applied. See how we have a nice gradient of orange going on here from light orange to a burnt orange or terracotta. I'm making sure to bring those colors all the way to the inner corner here. I'm just going to keep blending, keep adding color, keep blending, keep adding color until everything is well blended. Next, I'm going to take the color Fez from the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of Ashes from the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I'm going to place that right in the crease here to deepen it up a little bit. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Taza to help blend it out. Next, I'm going to cut the crease using MAC Select Cover Up Concealer. I'm going to place some on my lid. And look up. And that's what I'm going to use as a guideline for my cut crease. I have to get up close and personal in the mirror to perfect the cut crease. Next, I'm going to go in with this dark purple from the Juvia's Place Magic palette. I'm going to apply that right on the edge here. And I'm going to blend it inward, but I'm not going to go above the cut crease. I'm going to keep all of these colors right on the lid, not going to move anything high into the cut crease. I'm going to add that same dark purple to the inner corner here. To help blend that out, I'm going to go in with Zora from the Saharan 2 palette. I'm adding Zorro to both sides of the lid and blending them in together. Before we go in with the color we're going to add to the middle, I'm going to take my brush, the same one I cut the crease with, and just blend out the edges here. So I cleaned off the brush I used to cut my crease, and I'm going to use it to apply this color here called Berber, and I'm going to apply that right on the center. Now that we've gotten the center color applied, I'm going to go back in with Zorro and blend it out. So now I'm just going to go back and forth between all three colors we applied to the lid and blend everything out and make sure it looks seamless. Once you've got a good blend going on the lid, I'm going to add another pop of color, this mint green here. And I'm taking the same brush I used to cut my crease because it's pretty much the smallest brush that I have. You're going to need a small brush to do all the detailed work. So I'm going to pop this right on the center just to liven it up a little bit. Next, I'm going to take my Too Faced glitter glue. I'm going to place a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take that same crease brush. This is the Morphe 170. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the glitter glue and then pick up a little bit of this color here and apply it right to the center of the lid. To make the glitter stand out a little bit more, I'm going to take this color here and just pack it right onto the center. To add the white liner, I'm going to use this NYX white liquid eyeliner. I'm going to place it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take that same brush I used to cut the crease with. This brush is so multifunctional. Again, it's the M170 from Morphe. If you don't have it, you should go out and get it. And I'm going to dip it into the white liner and use it to draw the white line across the cut crease. You want to take your time with this and go very slow to build up the color. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take the color Aziza. I'm going to go in with my brush and blend it out. For lashes, I'm going to use the Kim Tai Lion Hearted Lashes by Cake Face Beauty. I finished my foundation and setting powders off camera. I used the new NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. If you want to know more about that foundation, there is a review on my channel, so check it out. For contour, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm going to take these three shades here. I'm also going to contour my temples and forehead. For bronzer, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Queen bronzer. For highlighter, I'm going to use MAC's Whisper of Guilt. So I'm going to highlight my Cupid's bow. To finish up the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with this orange here. To tie it all together, I'm going to take this purple. For the inner corner, I'm going to add this color here. And finally, I'm going to add a black eyeliner to my waterline. For lips, I'm going to go in with Cork Lip Liner by MAC. For lips, I'm going to go in with this liquid lipstick by Dose of Colors called Sand. Fix Plus to top it off. I was going to do some gloss, but kind of feeling the matte lip. Alright, that completes this makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of those down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!